Hello my viewers around the globe, welcome to my channel. In this very tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Binance on your phone. So just stick with me until the very end. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Simo Crypto. This is how Binance looks like on your phone. So if you want it, you can go here on Play Store, or you can go on this very video, find there a link so that you can open with me Binance and still will get a commission of up to 7,210 US dollar when you open with me such account. So this is how our account looks like. As you can see that there is favorite. These are the favorite. These are hot. So when you want gainers, you can see from here there is gainers, there is losers. So when you click in hots, you can see how these coins, the coins that have made a lot of percentage and still in money and they have the good price, those are hot ones. So when you want gainers, you come here after hot. As you can see from here that gainers, they have the coins with a lot of percentage in 24 hours. So when you come back on losers, the coins that have made a lot of losses in the 24 hours. So when you come here on new listings, these are coins that are new on the market, as you can see from there, and how they have been doing or in 24 hours. The volume is here. If you want to see the volume, how in 24 hours have been moving, you can see that there is BTC, there is Shui, then the third one is Ethereum, there is ARB, there is BNB, and the last one is Luna. Those are the coins that have been doing. If you want to see more, of course, you can come here down. You see more how these coins are moving or in the last 24 hours. So when you come here, you can see that there is Binance Academy. Here in Binance Academy, that will show you everything that you want to learn when it comes to cryptocurrency. Do you want to start trading? You don't know how to trade? First of all, first subscribe to this very channel, because I always give you videos that will help you to learn more about cryptocurrency. But still you need Binance Academy, because they still teach you exactly how you want to trade crypto. So when you come here, you will see blockchain. When you want to learn more about blockchain, you want to learn more on NFT, DeFi, security and trading, all those ones are there. So when you come, 5 risk management strategies, when there is what is a cryptocurrency wallpaper, everything that you would like to learn about cryptocurrency, you come here on Binance Academy and you learn those ones. So when you go on referral, of course, referral, it is also there. So when you want feeds, you want the news, you come here. So let's click in feeds. When you click in feeds, they will be giving you the news concerning cryptocurrency, majorly on different coins in the crypto market. So when you go on following, still you'll be following the people that you've been following. That will show you how many people or the news that is going on. So when you come here on news, that will show you those news, every bit of news that will show you exactly. So when you come on academy, those are the news concerning academy, of course, when it comes to feeds. So when you want to earn on crypto to different scenarios, you will click here on phone. So when you click here, you can see exactly what you're going to find there. First of all, you find those coins concerning Ethereum 2.1, how you can earn from there, and protected products concerning like USDT, BTC, BNB, how you can exactly invest and earn in these Binance Earn. When you want to join a pro earn, you come here up, as you can see from there. So there is simple earn. When you click in it, you learn more about this very simple earn. You can invest. So these are the simple earns, as you can see from there. You will see VI, USDT, and this is the percentage that you will earn in those specific days that they will be given to you. In flexible, automatically things do change in flexibles, but in fixed it doesn't change. So I'll give you more of the details concerning Binance Earn. So just subscribe on this very channel. You'll learn more things about crypto on this very channel. So when you come here on the market, so the market majorly we find coins for spots and futures. So you can see that these coins are from spot, and when you want to trade spot trading, you come here on spots here that will show you all coins concerning spots. In USDT there is TUSD, there is BSUD, there is BNB, there is BTC, and altcoins concerning spots. So when you're done, you can come on futures. Still they will show you like this coin is in USDT, coin preferentials and options. So after there you can see coin preferentials, the coins in coin preferentials, and when you want to trade them automatically in options, these are the coins that you can find and buy in options. So when you want feeds in market, still they are there, and the data concerning price distribution or change. So this is the data that you'll find there, and you learn more about it exactly in real life. So when you come on trades down here, this is where you're going to find trades, and when you back, you'll be here like there is convert, there is spot, there is margin, fiat, pay to pay, there is auto inverse. Let's go direct into convert. So in convert, you'll find here there is market and limit, and in market automatically you convert at that specific price where that very coin that you want to convert from is, but on limit you can set your own price where you want to convert from. Here you come on from, then there is to. So from, this where your money should be, and to, this is where you want to put your money. So here you select the coin where you have your money. Let's say we have BNB. After there you're going to put the how many BNBs that you want to convert. You select convert. Once you select convert and you have the full amount, automatically they will convert into BTC, but for now I have minimum amount and I cannot convert. So when you go on spot trading, this is where you want to trade your BTC. As you can see that here we have buying and selling. We have also limit. This is the amount where you're going to buy from. So after there, you're going to select from here. When you come on limit, there is market, there is stop limit, then there is trailing stop and OCO. These all, I have specific videos on how you can use all of them. So just go in this very channel and you look for those videos. You will learn more about how you can use this, because this is just a tutorial and I cannot give you everything. So you select from here. After selecting what you want to use, like in limit as I told you, you select your own price where you want to buy from. But for market you don't select, and for trailing stop you move with the percentage. Once it goes down automatically or it goes up depending on how you have set it, so that specific percentage you will buy or sell depending on how you have set it. So you put the amount that you want to buy. This is the price where you're going to buy from. So once you say buy BTC, automatically you will have bought this BTC once you click here. So that's how you can use buy, and selling still the same. This is limit, whatever you have selected. This is the price where you're going to sell from, and you put the amount that you want to sell. So right now I have 00. So when you say sell BTC, automatically you have sold everything in a return. So but as unlike in market, there you don't select, you don't use any price. Once you said I want to sell this amount, automatically the price will be automatic once you say sell, but it incurs some fees as you're buying or selling anything. So it's still in buying, it is the same as I've told you. So that's it. That's how you can trade in spot trading. So when you go on margin, the margin, it is the same as future trading, but in margin you don't select your own leverage. The leverage is always set. In isolation, it's always 10%, and when you click back there is also cross, it is always about 5%. So when you select there automatically, so once you are done Hope you know how you can use margin. If you don't know how to trade using margin, just go on this very channel. You'll find those videos on how you can trade margin without any problem. Still here, after selecting that one, you'll still come here, select the way you have selected with the spot. So just in simple, you'll have both in margin and you'll learn more about it. The difference between isolation and cross: in isolation, they only use that amount in that specific coin that you have selected, but in cross they will be using the whole account. Once like you reach on liquidation price, they will take everything on your account, but in isolation they only take that one that you have selected to trade in that specific pair. So that's how you can trade margin on Binance. So let's go fiat. This is where you're going to find all currencies in fiat in your local currencies. As you can see from here, you select from here the currencies that you want. So you can see all the currencies depending on which country where you are. So once you select, automatically you can buy using your own currency in that specific country where you are. So that is how you can use fiat. Pair to pair, as I told you, this pair to pair, this is where you're going to buy. I give you crypto, you give me cash. When you give me crypto, I give you cash. Just like that. Auto invest, I will not go in details, but still you have to know that these are the things that you have to know. And this is the only channel where you're going to find all those things in details. So if you want to see how you can use pay to pay, just go on this very channel, you'll find everything. So this is where you're going to find open orders and positions when it comes after buying on margin. So let's go straight into futures just down here. As you can see from here, when you click in futures, this is where you're going to find all perpetuals, everything. So there is cross, as I told you earlier. In cross, you select your own leverage. They will use the whole account when it reaches on liquidation price. As you can see here, switching margin mode only applies to selected contract. So when you're going to trade cross, use that one. But to me, I use always isolation. It depends how much I have and whether I have used all the amount. So when you go here, you select your own leverage, what you want to use, and once you confirm, automatically it will be there. So you can select here the isolation, and when you select the isolation, automatically still you can use your own leverage that you want to use. You can use any leverage that you are ready to use. Once you click there, automatically you will have gone into leverage. In trading, it is still the same like that one of spot. So you will select whether you want to use limit, post only, market stop limit, and everything. So after there, you select the amount and the price. You come here, so you select take profit and stop loss. In future trading, it is very risky, so I recommend you to buy always using take profit and stop loss. In stop loss, I mean when you are going to trade, you put where you want to take your profit from, and when you want to limit your losses. Let's say I have used 10k in trading, but I want, if at all it goes down and it takes 2k, then I want to exit the market. So that's how you can use stop loss. As I told you, these videos are all in details on this very channel. So you buy long or you buy short. In sell, you buy short. So area in wallet, this is where you're going to find every amount that you have. As you can see that there is spot, isolation, margin, funding, cross, and everything that you'd like to see everything in details. Hope you have understood everything, guys. This is how you can use Binance in 2023. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Simo Crypto. Bye for today. Good luck.